For our chili lime honey butter, you simply use a fork to mash softened butter, lime juice, honey, chili powder, and a dash of cayenne together until blended. Yes, that's it. Your compound butter is ready to razzle-dazzle your corn. Best yet, grilling sweet corn is the best way to bring out even more of its natural sugars. Place naked cobs of corn on a hot, well-oiled grill and cook, turning occasionally until the kernels are caramelized and lightly charred. It's delish as it is, but now it's time to take it to the next level. When sweet corn's in season, it just begs to be grilled. Cooking over a flame caramelizes the kernels, brings out their sweetness, and gives them a hint of smokiness. Not sure how to do it right? Use a fork or a pastry brush to rub hot ears of grilled sweet corn with the compound butter. Serve it up with extra salt and lime wedges so guests can add as desired. They'll be as delighted with the mix of tart, sweet, and spicy as you are, so be ready to share the recipe.